Level 2, Unit 17. Adding 5, sum up to 20. Unit 17.1. We are now going to add 5 to numbers up to 7. And we're going to have the number blocks here to help us with that. If we start with the number 2 and we increase that, or we add 5, you can see how we move 5 spots forward, and that equals 7. Let's look at example B. If we start with 4, and we increase or go forward 5 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we end up on the number 9, which is our answer. Unit 17.2, adding 5 to numbers up to 9. Let's look at example A. 8 plus 5. Again, we have to count forward 5 spots. So if we start with 8, we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Let's look at example B. 8 plus what number equals 13? We have to count in our head once again. If we start with 8, we got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We count how many times we move, means we have added 5 to get to an answer of 13. Unit 17.3. Adding 5 to numbers up to 11. Example A, we have 10 plus 3. Here we're going to combine our ones position. So we're going to combine the 0 and the 10 with the 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. So therefore, 10 plus 5 is 15. Example C, what number plus 5 equals 13? Here we're going blank number plus 5. So now we have to work backwards. We have to start with 13 and we have to go back 5 positions. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 means that we had to start with 8, add 5, and that gave us 13. Unit 17.4, adding 5 to numbers up to 13. 1 plus 5. 5 positions over from 1 is 6. Let's look at example B. 13 plus what number equals 18? We can also just look at the ones position here. To get from 3 to 8, we would have to move 5 times. So 13 plus 5 equals 18. Unit 17.5, adding 5 to numbers up to 15. Let's look at example A. 15 plus 5. If we look at combining our two ones positions, 5 plus 5 is 10. So therefore, we have a 0 in the ones position, and we are carrying that 1 over into the tens position. So now when we add the tens positions together, we have 1 plus 1, which is 2. Example C. 14 plus what number equals 19? Here, let's just do some counting. If we start with 14 and we go, how many spots would we have to go to reach 19? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 moves us 5 spots. So that is what we are adding.